Hello there. Today we're gonna talk about this caterpillar and how we can attract more butterflies when they pupate. This will develop in a swallowtail butterfly, and they love munching on wall rue. This plant is medicinal. It helps when you have inflamed muscles, and so it has a double purpose. It has a very unique smell, and some people love it, some people don't. What's for sure is swallowtail butterflies prefer to lay eggs on this plant. They even love to lay eggs on fennel and dill, but if there is this plant close by, it's their first choice. I will try to find the other one, and here it is. He is munching away at the leaves, and usually the damage is minimum. So, and there's another one, look, I nearly missed it. These grow up to the size of a pinky, and once they pupate, you will attract the butterflies. Will remember where the plant is, and usually they will come again next year. I would recommend this plant a lot for those who would like to attract more butterflies to the garden, mostly swallowtails. But even the flowers attract a lot of bees and wasps. Most will question if wasps are beneficial, but they are. They eat a lot of parasites in the garden, and usually they won't attack us. As it is usually said online. Wasps are beneficial in our garden, and we need them as much as we need bees and butterflies. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe for more. Okay, thank you.